So this is my pomegranate cut from the mother's plant. It's planted right next to the fence so it can create some privacy. Look at that, it's already fruiting. My food forest is coming along. The only male flowers so far. I'll show you the mother plant. This is my peach tree. The branches fell off that I have to tie together. Produce so much fruit. So heavy. Here is the mother plant. It's very close to the fence. It's there for a reason. All the male flowers. It's the 4th years on the ground and I mainly produce male flowers. Here is the female fruits. This year I have at least 5 female fruits. Last year I only had 1. So apparently they say that once it matures it will produce more female fruits. But they mainly have male flowers so far, which is good. So tall. So the male flowers, they come in a bottle like that. The female flowers, usually they come with 1 female and then right next to it, it will be a male flowers. There you go. I keep pruning them and just propagating them, but hopefully they're pretty more flowered over the years. Yeah.